caretaker and local criminal records and reference.
The reference number that we use as LCRC is the one that we actually use when we trace the work that we do for the cases.
Yeah, can you give us the LCRC number? That's your reference for which case that you attend. I understand you have different LCRC numbers.
You saw the LCRC numbers in
How will you get the proof get all the officers' springs?
If that is the case, then I will have to go and inquire with the Springs office. What you remember, in the office as a Springs, LCRC number. What number can I get?
Yes, we do so because we need to check this, we need to verify if indeed those cases existed and you actually attended in those cases. I would appreciate, Mr. Mosia, if you can also provide us with the case numbers for those LCRC case numbers that you are going to read. We can call phone stations that get those case numbers.
Can I repeat that?
I have some dissatisfaction before this on the report now. I have some chronic ailment as far as my health is concerned.
And witness box increased last year for 5 months.
It is as a result of this witness box that I actually got so sick last year for about 5 months.
Can I just support about the situation? One of the it's too much.
I do have documents relating to what I'm looking for. That has to do with the doctors, and there's too much pressure on myself.
And one of the I think that's what the car was at the area we have been class from it's too much.
I think I won't be able to recover. My family to and from Pumalanga. I think it's too much for me. To say I should have done it, only the parallel we see there, Linya is on 5 zones. Another Pulaga or taking care of the session and the master. We are going to have some reason in Pumalanga. And local who fire in this ending of the
I do sympathize with your mistake. I'm sorry about it. I did not want you to experience any hardship as a result of this. It is only because you testified that you had to leave the crime scene in order to attend the other cases. And I'm not saying drive there to those stations. We inform those stations and get these numbers without you having to drive and encounter any difficulties. If we can just get reference numbers with phone stations.
I have, met this honorable court of the High Court of South Africa. I've met it halfway. I also should be in the position, to present my dissatisfactions before this honorable court. That has to do with my health. I have to protect my health as well, since I've already explained. Saving as I'm sange ukwazi ukufinyelela inkantolo la inkantolo ikhona kanti-ke kwesinye isandla kuyafuna.
Sorry, just before you respond, Mr. Meyiwa, are you going to call the officer who is now in Kenya? Is this the officer? Right?
Yes,
In a trial, there's vital material evidence. And then there is evidence, which is not material vital. Like this witness. He says he had to concurrently, when he was at the crime scene, in the matter we're dealing with, he was on standby for and unfortunately, he was supposed to go there, and he says his job is to attend all the crime scenes. And he says he left the crime scene there. It was more. Did you go with Mushak or Mushak?
We were talking about more than completed.
That's okay. No, but there was an officer you left there. Who was Captain Zwan was there. Brigadier Dobu. Right. So you did leave some officers there. Now, if you're saying what he's testifying to, you can put it to him, because he has already said that's what he did. And then we go on this case. Otherwise, if he's lying, if I must put it plainly, you can put it to him that you are lying. You never went to attend other cases. You left because of your intemperate of giving a crime scene. Fine, then you can add that point at a later stage. Whether we see whether it is material to this case or not. And I take his empathy when he says, his health is failing. And me, as a court, who have been dealing with these matters for 50 years, I mean, this witness, when he says that he is failing in his health, I can tell you there's a nuanced reason why he says this. Am I right, sir? I don't have to mention it. There's a nuanced reason why he's saying this. And we're dealing here with a case of 2014, the 26th of October 2014. The records which you say he must go and peruse, they are 9 years old. Okay, but you can put whatever version you want to him, because it appears that he says he's not able to do it between 7th in the morning of October 2024 or 2014, sorry, whether he played a system, went home and went to sleep and left. But this evidence, as I understand it, you returned again to the scene the following morning. At about, you said at about, Mr. Peresile was in
It's a 22:02:40.
right, and you came back?
And after 6.
In the morning, you came back. What's his evidence? Please. It's not like a witness who just absconded home. The next time they see him, he's in court.
I put it to you that there are no cases that you have to go and
I disagree with that, even though I do not have any time to go to that.
And at the time when you left the crime scene, it is your evidence that you had not identified the bullet on top of the cupboard. Am I correct?
That is correct.
And it was only discovered on the following day in the morning when you came back for the second time.
Later, household
The crime scene after midnight. That was the same day.
I actually arrived at the crime scene after midnight, so it was technically the same day.
Yeah, but on the second time when you visited the crime scene, not on your first time when you arrived at the scene.
That is correct. So she had already been so. And some of you want to create an alternative package. Always be as a creator of this kind of would not probably a bit of that.
Do you know if there's someone who placed that bullet that you found on the second time when you visited the crime scene?
No, I couldn't mention that.
Also, correctly, that the door next to the place where that bullet was recovered was not closed when you left the scene. It was used by people to move in and out.
I do not know their movement after I left the scene. I left the crime scene in the capable hands of the police.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to confirm that that door was left for people to move in and out. Even yourself, when you arrive for the second time, you use the same door to enter the house.
Sorry, you don't put him who left the bullet there. Because that's a critical area as far as I'm concerned. You know who placed the bullet on top of the cupboard? Do you know who placed? So it means you have instructions concerning that exigence. Because you're not putting any supposition, you're putting an assertion that somebody placed that bullet there. Does he know that or doesn't he know that? Please, let's have that.
I'm sorry, madam, I just missed the point.
So the point is, the point is you're putting it as a fact that the bullet was placed on top of the cupboard behind the jars or on top of the cupboard. Is that not your question?
Maybe, my question was, do you know if there is someone who placed
No difference. You don't want to answer
bullet?
this. He said he doesn't know. We are not pursuing it any further.
Yes, that was my question.
Okay, fine. Because for this court, it's a critical component of the evidence, which is material. Not that, hey, we'll investigate whether you did X, Y, Z. That is on the scene. It's a critical element of the actus reus, the state alleges, happened. That a person was unlawfully murdered inside that house, and there is inferential reasoning that a bullet or a particle or a projectile struck the deceased Senzo inside that house. That's why this court is concerned about that aspect of the evidence. You understand my motivation? That's it. We'll proceed.
You can't just bear with me, but just be distracted where I was.
Yeah, okay.
Mr. Musia, it is your evidence that there is a first group that arrived at the crime scene besides the False Laura's police station, besides the False Laura's police officers, the group that came with the brigadier.
before given the fact that upon my arrival there, the gentleman was already at the scene, and I believe that his team was already there to come with his team.
Oh, okay. So it means the first task team was already at the scene when you arrived?
Provincial detective unit.
I would identify them as the provincial detective unit.
Okay. And the task team is the one that arrived in the morning?
Task team, I should have said.
Yes, crime scene management.
Those were the crime scene management team.
Okay, from the first team that arrived, was there any NCRC experts there among that first group?
Provincial Detective Office.
The first group that had arrived at the scene of the incident, there is the team of the investigators, which may have come with the agenda, and they could be coming from a provincial office.
Yeah, I know that, but my question is, amongst those officers, there was no NCRC experts there. You remained the NCRC officer only at the crime scene.
I don't know if you want to say something. Fair as the time you were only a Hosina NCRC expert.
Can you give me NCRC officer, he follows the duty officer training or electronic joint?
I was the only LCRC officer, and then I phone called the duty officer to come and join me during the time.
Amongst the group, that provincial task team that arrived, they couldn't assist you in any kind of investigation inside the house.
Group became the provincial task team.
I mean, further investigations from what you have already done.
I don't know crime scene in the room upon this. Oh, yeah.
Now, as police officers, we have got various duties at the scene of the incident. One person will be doing that, another one will be doing that. And while I will do my investigations, and there are certain things I don't understand, I will inquire from whoever that will be doing that particular area that I'm inquisitive of.
Okay. So in other words, they couldn't assist you, they couldn't play any role in assisting you to continue doing any further investigations because they were tasked with their different duties.
Investigating officer, not Tulsi or investigating officer.
Well, according to my knowledge, that whenever I understand the crime scene, I would be the assistant to the investigating officer. Myself would be the assistant.
But let's move on. Were you also informed about the direction they were taken by
information in
the information that I received was that after the shooting, they exited and fled.
in any direction, about the direction,
They did not explain the direction, which direction they took. They just said that they exited the plane. As long as I should be back on that would be the whole people in the family and the place and go to large and back over, they ballet in the risk.
That's what they asked.
You're not looking at
I'm not sure if I've asked this question. You said you inspected the hole at the door at the first time when you arrived at the scene. Am I correct?
That is correct.
Did you check if there were no any other exhibits trapped in that hole or inside the door?
I suspected, I only suspected that it is possible that it may have fallen inside the crevices of the cavity of the door.
So we have to learn to answer the questions. Should I repeat it?
Correct? Yes.
My question is, did you check in that hole inside the door if there were no any other exhibits trapped inside?
Also affecting when I was owner, medical exhibit. They sorry, we check out
Check.
Kamakala head. Yaba, how to hold in Kam. We have to check out about the check. Well, based on my suspicions, I should have broken. In other words, I should have broken that door.
So in other words, you did not check?
Come on, how I check. I'm sure I can check. I'm not saying that I did not check.
Did you check?
You want check? I'm sure to get I'm sure that I have check. Ona ke ucabanga kwami nokusola ukuthi kunokwenza khona ukuthi izokwele ngalo lasenokwa ngaphakathi komnyango okanye isihlalo lokho kukodwa kuphela.
So upon your investigation in that door, in that bullet hole, you didn't find anything?
Oyaka uzaha ona moyo disulinga kabo disulinga le nyakole awaka wafuna le. Nothing was visible. To get a book of Obama.
Tell me, Mr. Musia, when you attend crime scene as a police officer, yes, you conduct your investigation based on the report you are receiving from the people at the scene. Am I correct?
How we are doing that? With police bar, with giving the with money. Open to ban, but I it is so. Just witness on Jacob Grayson. Oh, man, get to pay. Get to pay. Getting get to laws. Law band of the vehicle.
Besides following, conducting your investigations based on the report, skills, your knowledge, your techniques to conduct further investigation inside the city. Or you only have to rely on the reports given especially by the victim.
Can't tell you actually man it's all when I look at the police, couple of police, Auna who said, emva kwalokho-ke sendisebenzisa ulwazi lwami ukuthi ngiqhubekisele phambili kuphela.
It is your evidence, Mr. Musia, as contained in Exhibit C that you discovered that there were cans of alcohol inside the crime scene.
There is a bit so big, so the witness of good water, like I'm a kind of trying, but I find it up in this cabinet.
Did you inquire as to where they were consuming the alcohol?
We live, well, also look at the human, people, man, but I'm not going to share in the game. I mean, I'm going to get into this cabinet.
Did you take any blood samples or blood tests from them to check the level of alcohol from their
but you can't like Kansas State in that way. Even if you are not deep in some place and take off, it's a only but how is that? Okay,
the old kids about himself to investigate to move his hand on the pillar and what's able to
I believe that is the responsibility of the investigating officer. If the investigating officer has got suspicions to that effect, and further the investigating officer will know where to take that particular person to for that purpose. Kanti mina ngiprojectele umsebenzi walo ekhaya mayelana nalokho uma ngabe kukhona okuthile akusolayo uzokwenza lokho ukuthi kuthathwe igazi kuyokwenzwa-ke ivivinyo zotshwala egazini futhi uyakwazi ukuthi uzothatha lowo muntu-ke amseluphi ukuze ufezeke leyo njongo.
Did you also mistake here? Conduct any investigations? Sort of in that case. You had received information that there had been a shooting incident. Why did it?
Stasi ke tlhalositse gore nna ke letsogo la detective ke tlo thusa detective go crime scene a se a na le tsebo ka yone.
Now, as I've already indicated, that I'm just the assistant of the detective or the investigating officer. Based on the crime scene, whose information already in possession of.
And detective, how ana le pelaelo ya to emuli emu crime scene ke na tlamile mo katametsa go nna gore ke motho se ba se itseng jalo ka yona field investigation.
Now, if he has got some suspicions pertaining to a particular aspect of the scene, the detective should then approach me to request my assistance pertaining to that particular aspect of the scene or the crime scene. Manje, ngoba sengishilo-ke ukuthi mina ngisizana ngizolophenyikana okanye udetective kwenjalo. Kanti-ke uma ngabe kukhona usizo oluthize aludingayo mayelana nomkhakha wayingxenye ethize yaleyo ndawo yesigameko, uyena ofanele ukuthi eze kimi azongibonisa-ke ukuthi udinga usizo kuphi.
And then furthermore, let's move on to Exhibit X5.
I will look at this one.
What we refer to as cover letter.
I've got it, yes.
Number 5.
Still, watch you down.
address, when the address, you become an recipe, the address to my mark. I don't know where is it, so much local,
So, in other words, this means that these exhibits were not hand delivered. Is that correct? If you say send the acknowledgement of receipt.
The witness testified that he had delivered the exhibits and the report to X36.
That point about the letter of receipt of the receipt by the recipient. How you phrase that doesn't mean that it delivers these items first and then wait for the recipient to write him a letter to say, I, Ratamo Patlin, today at 10 o'clock on the 27th of August 2014, I received the following exhibits from. Doesn't mean that. He's writing it for his own records.
Well, maybe if I can get the explanation from this witness, what he meant by this, because to me, it says this supply this office as well as address B with acknowledgement of receipt. And he has testified about that he submitted the exhibit and he was given
636 of 10, 2014 is a matter. Number of parcel 1, evidence bag BPA 500342715J, and the receiver at FSA is MS Munama on the 30th of October 2014.
Offshore the customer corner is 636 10 year 2014 as a photo race. Ikala kwa bulala meda ganti ipasera elodwa ganti evidence number or C number ya corner PA 5,3427155 uma mnama yena ngiwasani khona lokho kwenzeka related is October 2014
and go
to answer fully the question they were supposed to make an advocate.
By this number 5, please supply this office as well as addressees and as well as addressee B. It's a posthumous detective unit command. Later, the posthumous detectives want to transfer to the very same receipt.
Is
the
the exhibit that was issued to you when you
the witness is actually waving the original in his hand, in his right hand, and showing to the advocate.
So what we have read into the record is not the acknowledgement of receipt that was given.
The same was one acknowledgement of receipt.
The one that was given to you is the one that
the following copy by sender phosphorus detective unit office,
the phosphorus detective team. Ultimately, originally, we are the patient is a given. They are started the original detective team.
And according to this, the content of Exhibit 5, you were requesting the ballistic and the FSC to conduct investigations on the exhibits you were submitting. Did you make any follow-up on your request?
Now, my relation with the work that I am doing comes to an end when I hand in when I hand in the document or the exhibits into the FSL office. Ganti usho njalo ke uthi ngendlela-ke ey'nxumaneni nomsebenzi wami ngakhona ukuthi lokho-ke ukuphelela laphayana-ke mase ngifaka iy'ngxenye zokufaka zona ma-egrade kwi-FSL.
Let's go back a little bit to
Habe